I'm from Andhra Pradesh, madam.
Okay, sir.
Are you from Mansno's customer care, madam?
Yes, this is the Mansion House customer care number.
Yes, of course, madam. What I am telling is I am drinking Mansno's, madam.
Very good, sir. Everybody has gone for lunch.
Just spare me for 2 minutes, madam. What is the Mansno's, madam? It's very beautiful, madam. I am drinking the Mansno's with water, and it's very nice, madam. I'm not able to get a taste also, madam. I'm drinking water only where I'm drinking Mansno's. That much of taste is there, madam. I'm giving a very good compliment to Mansno's, madam.
Thank you, sir. We would like you to repeat the compliment in our customer care department. Kindly call up after 2 o'clock, please.
2 o'clock, madam?
Yes, sir.
After 2 o'clock I call means who will pick up the call, madam?
Give it to the concerned person, sir.
Okay, madam. I am just giving compliment, madam. It's very, what is this, madam? How you make the Mansno's, madam? Like the heaven, madam?
Thank you, sir.
What is you making with water only, madam? That is the very different thing, madam.